Hi friends, this is Aman Agarwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I have started a series in which I post a video analyzing Nifty every week, a day before expiry, and we try to find out what may happen on the expiry day. Normally, expiry days remain volatile and we see quick moves coming on either side. So knowing the crucial level is very important. And in this video we'll try to find out the crucial levels. And in the last video we had analyzed that we will see 15,200 to 15,300 levels coming on Nifty, and Nifty made a high of 15,176. So in this video too we'll try to find out what may happen in the tomorrow's expiry. But before we start the video, please like my video, share my video, and if you are new, please subscribe the YouTube channel. As you can see on screen, we have a Nifty chart on daily time frame, and the horizontal black line which is marked on the chart shows the previous swing high. And in today's trading session we broke the previous swing high and we closed comfortably above it. Today's close is very important. We will try to understand why the close is very much important in the video later on. Now let's switch to a line chart from the candlestick chart, and let's change the time frame from a daily chart to an hourly chart. And as you can see on screen, we have an hourly line chart, and you can see that a rounding bottom formation in hourly chart, and we got breakout from this pattern in today's trading session. In the last video that I had posted on Wednesday, we saw a similar pattern in Nifty, and after the breakout we saw a 170 point rally. And if we calculate this rounding bottom's target, it's around 15,900. Basically that's not possible tomorrow, but still if we sustain above the breakout level, we will see a good run up from here. Now let's analyze the option chain and let's look at the global cues. As you can see on screen, we have Nifty option chain for tomorrow's expiry. 15,200 call has around 35,000 open interest, and 15,250 call has around 15,800 open interest. So altogether 50,000 positions are at risk because we closed at 15,245. And this call writers have to liquidate their positions, and we will see a short covering rally coming, and we will see this short covering rally taking Nifty towards 15,300 to 15,325. As of now, the expiry, we may not see expiry above 15,325, but still if we sustain above 15,300, we will see 15,300 call writers liquidating their positions, and 15,300 has the highest OI around 40,000. And if 15,300 call writers liquidate their positions, we will see 15,400 coming in Nifty. And when we talk on the put side, we have highest open interest at 15,000 put, that's 62,000, and 15,100 has 41,000 open interest. So 15,100 and 15,000 will act as a good support for Nifty tomorrow. And as of now, Dow Jones is trading around 100 points plus, and SGX Nifty trading at 15,200. India VIX is at 22. India VIX is at comfortable levels. So if we have a positive global cues tomorrow, we will see a good expiry again in the favor of bulls. Also, I have posted a link to open your trading or demat account in my franchise. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order, highest intraday exposure, no hidden charges, no monthly maintenance charges, best support, best charting software, best trading platform, and many more amazing features. So if you are interested in opening a trading or demat account in my franchise, click on the link given in the description. And please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Aman Agarwal signing off. Thank you.